Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the water inlet assembly in this KitchenAid dishwasher, you will need a 5/16" nut driver, a 1/4" nut driver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, pliers, needle nose pliers, and potentially an adjustable wrench. Before you begin the procedure, turn off the power to the dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. If necessary to provide more slack, use the adjustable wrench to unthread the water supply line from the valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the 2 screws, securing the lower access panel and toe panel to the frame. With the screws unthreaded, you can set the panels aside. Pull out the remaining insulation. Using the 1/4" nut driver, unthread the screws securing the junction box cover. Detach the cover. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screws to release the black and white power wires from the right side of the terminal block. Unthread the screw to release the grounding wire as well. Now depress the retaining tab and slide the junction box to the left to detach it from the support bar. Use the needle nose pliers to help unthread the strain relief nut. Pull the power line through the junction box. Hook the junction box back on the support bar to keep it out of the way. Next, open the dishwasher door and unthread the 2 screws securing the dishwasher mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. To move the dishwasher, you may need to thread the legs further into the base to lower the appliance. Now gently pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Remove the insulation and set a weight on the dishwasher to prevent it from tipping. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the water inlet assembly's wire harness cover. Use the small flathead screwdriver to help pry the cover off, then disconnect the wire connector. Use the pliers to release the clamps securing the inlet and drain outlet hoses. And remove the clip securing the drain inlet hose. Then detach the 3 hoses from the inlet assembly. Next, open the dishwasher door and slide out the lower dish rack. Reach in and unthread the water inlet assembly nut. With the nut removed, you can fully detach the old inlet assembly. To install the new water inlet assembly, transfer the seal from the old assembly to the new one, if necessary. Now align the assembly on the side of the dishwasher and snap it into position. Thread the nut to secure. Replace the lower dish rack. Attach the hoses to the appropriate ports and secure with the clamps and clip. Connect the wire connector. Snap the wire harness cover into place and thread the screw to secure. Remove the weight and realign the insulation. Confirm the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Extend the front leveling legs if necessary. Rethread the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Detach the junction box from the support bar. Feed the power line wires through the rear of the box. Thread the strain relief nut to secure. Realign the junction box on the support bar and slide right to snap it into position on the retaining tab. Realign the black and white power wires on the appropriate terminals on the right side of the terminal block and thread the screws to secure. Secure the grounding wire to the junction box with the screw. Reposition the junction box cover and replace the screw. Realign the insulation. Now realign the toe panel and insulation. Then reposition the access panel and thread the 2 screws to secure. Attach the drain hose to the sink drain or garbage disposer and secure with the clamp. Confirm the hose is elevated above the connection point to help prevent water from flowing back into the dishwasher. Reattach the water supply line to the water supply valve if necessary. Turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and the dishwasher should be ready for use.